There's nothing holding me back. Do you hear that? That's right. There's nothing holding me back. Gotta listen to that music. Gotta get motivated. Gotta get on with it. Okay. Hello, everybody. My caption, VIP. You guys are making this better for me. You guys are making this easier for me. You guys are making this like so much fun. My VIP, I appreciate you guys so much. It's so nice to get these messages. Seems like on a daily now. I love it. I see you're loving your nails. I just got a message right before I got on here. Another one, nail fees, showing your nail fees. If you're on, let me know, because I can't see who is popping on. It's not showing me. So just say hello. Yeah, so you guys got me excited. Very, very excited, because those things, those messages, those nail fees, whether you post it in my VIP group or post it on my main wall and tag me, that excites me. So I can show people it's not just that I'm the one that's loving these nails just because I sell it. No, it's not just me. It's so many of us. Haida. Thanks for popping on. Yeah, so like I said, I was saying, I just got a message right before I got on about how she loves the nails, leopard print, first time putting them on, and they look so cute, especially with her mug. So Nicole, if you're on, yes, I'm talking about you. I love your mug. She's also a network marketer. Maybe we need to hook up here, right? And messages like hers and so many others that I've been receiving is getting me so excited, and that's what keeps us going. So it's so important, guys, that you give us feedback. We need that. Hi, Grammy. Oh, I have yours right here. Actually, yours will be going out. I will keep you posted on that because I got to check, but yours are here. Buy 3, get 1 free. She took advantage of that special. That's an everyday special. Another one in my VIP that I love her messages. It excites me. It shows that, like I said, I'm not the only one that's excited about these nails, because when you have something that's so good, quality, affordable, long-lasting, and just looking pretty all the time. Look at mine. These I did on Sunday. I showed them yesterday on my Lunes Latino to my Latina network. I showed them. This is Capitol Hill that I'm wearing. And here it's in the package. So you see this beauty of gray with some either rose gold or pinkish glitter, however you want to call it. It's so, Grammy's going to get them. She's going to wear beautiful nails as well with her deal that she got. But yeah, guys, so I really wanted to get in here because I wanted to tell all my VIP that I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. You make my job a lot easier and so much fun. And that was the whole point. I really wanted to do this, again, to enjoy and have fun with it, and some girl time and me time, because every time I would go to the salon and get nails done or my pedicure, I would always say about it being me time. Yeah, and I'll have the me time at home from the comfort of my home with beautiful nails, not only for myself but helping others, and that's the best thing ever when they're happy. So all the messages I've been getting from when I started up again back in April have been positive, guys. They've all been wonderful messages, and I do screenshot them and put them in my VIP so you guys see that it's it's legit. It's coming from people, not just myself. So I really wanted to get that out there. I did get on so I can pretty much yes they are. Thank you so much. I wanted just to repeat what I mentioned on Monday, but I had it in Spanish. So I just wanted to go over some things as far as where I'm going, where it's the company or my business is headed, right? So the number one, like I said, without my VIP, it's not going anywhere, right? Because you need those people that love it just as much as you do, and you can just connect and love something so much and be passionate about it. And like I said, and always have pretty nails. Especially me, I talk with my hands all the time. You always see me like this. I'm always showing them. So it's just like, that's me anyway. And then on top of that, I add coloristry, and it just makes it better. So when I'm talking with my hands, at least they look pretty, right? All right. So another thing that I wanted to talk about was that when I started it, I started with this in mind, having the connection with my VIP, with my friends, with the ones that like it, with the family, with new ones, with referrals. That's how I wanted. I was really working on my sales compared to, like before. I used to build like the teams, and it was like, you know, a lot of the team work, right? Like building and building, and then, less of the sales. But this time I was like, no, I really want to just connect with people and, let me see their nails. Let's help them get their nails pretty, how to apply them, so that's why a lot of what I've been doing has been showing people and sharing and doing the tutorial on how to apply them, how to do the overlays. I have more tutorials coming on French manicures. I have other, things coming. So this time around, I really wanted to show you, the benefit basically of these gorgeous nail polish strips, because it saves you money. It also, like I said earlier, it lasts long. It's a very, very good quality product. And there's either some salons that are not open yet, and then other things that I wanted to mention was that some people, even if they are open, they don't want to go to the salon. So this time I'm like, not that forget the team, it's just that let's work on helping others get what they want with this product. And then once they're happy with it, then I'm happy. So now that I have that, I've thought, okay, I want to do a little bit more in my business. So that's why I'm going to do a video on the starter kit. And I mentioned it on Monday in Spanish. I want to do this week, maybe towards the end of the week, I want to show the business kit. I want to show you more of what comes in it, give you information on the benefits as far as like, what are the commissions? What are the enhanced commissions? What are other bonuses that you can get? Trips, prizes, that's all there and available. So I did the my team group page, and with Maria, I just saw you pop on. Thank you. And I mentioned that I named the team SIS, S-I-S. And there was a reason for that. So I chose like S for the sparkle. And the reason I chose that is because as we're selling these, if you're representing a company, you want to wear their product, right? Or you want to use their product, whatever it is, whether it's health and wellness or skincare or makeup. In this case, it's nails, and we want to sparkle. So my team is going to be Team SIS. S is for the sparkle. We'll use the product. We want to wear it. We want others to see that it is a good quality, and we're also using it. In other words, okay? And it's not like, oh, we're just, selling it but not wearing it. No, I'm passionate. I love it. I'm going to wear it. So that is the S. The other one is inspire. So I for inspire. And that is because if there's, I've gotten messages that things that either I say on my videos or I've posted on my videos or on my stories, whether it's here or on Instagram, and people get inspired by it. So that's also a nice feeling that what I'm putting out is helping. And it doesn't just help you, it helps me as well, because that also what I'm posting goes for me too. But to know that it inspired you into, doing something like that. And I gave an example on Monday, like even if it's a nails of the day that I'm posting on my stories, it could be that I put a certain color and you may have that nail polish in your home, and then it just like, oh man, I could maybe do that type of design. Or sometimes I'll do it where they have an accent nail, and it just gives you an idea. And you just get inspired to do more with it. So that's why the I in the team SIS. And then the S for shine, and that has to do with our own personal development, right? So we want to start and then be able to shine, meaning growth. You want to be able to move on and move up, right? So you're going to get as much as of the knowledge, right, that you can gather about your company, but also about yourself, so you can grow and do better as an entrepreneur, as a nail boss, as a boss babe, as a girl, whatever you want to hashtag it, whatever you want to call it. But that is the reason why I chose the S for the shine. So Team Sis. So that is the name of my team. I have Maria here. I told her yesterday I also wanted to get back into my team talk. I would do the team talks on Tuesdays with my previous company, and I thought it would be a good idea to start back up again to get more involved with my team. So yeah, so I started it with one goal in mind. It's funny how things change, right? Because you're like, oh, I'm gonna sign up and I'm gonna just sell the nails, right? I just want it for fun. I want to do it aside. I work full time, so I just want this. But then you, like I said, the VIP really helps you. It really helps you, motivates you, and they put you to work. Okay, and that's what gets me, because when they're asking for this or asking for that, it's like, even if I'm not working on that right at the moment, I'm like, yes, I got this to do. Yes, I gotta get this. Yes, I gotta look into that. And that just keeps going and going. And like I said, that really helps. So it goes both ways. Like you might, oh, I like this nail polish color. And I'm like, you're putting me to work, you're making me grow, and this is what I needed. So we help each other. So when I say thank you to my VIP, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Like, this means a lot to me. So yeah, so Team Sis, sparkle, inspire, and shine. I love it. I know I just made that up a while back, actually. And then but like I said, I wasn't thinking about building a team, but then I was like, yeah, I really like this. I want to get involved more, and I want to start what I used to do with my other companies, kind of like back to the basics. So that's where I'm going to go to. The next thing that I mentioned on my Spanish live on Monday, and that's why I'm repeating all this, but in English for you guys, my English speaking network, is the fall bundle. That was announced on Monday. And then today they came out and put it out there for Stylist first. Now check this out. If you're network marketing, I've been with several companies, so I know that a lot of times when things come out, it's like, oh man, the day that it comes out, everybody's like purchasing it, and the reps would be like, or consultants would be like, man, I wish I had that before it went out to the public. What I like about Color Street, what they did this time, Hila, hi, thank you. What I love about it is that they allowed us stylists order the bundle first. And then a week, like next week, they said, it will go out live on our website, and then people can buy it out to the public. But that gives us an advantage. As stylists, we want to make sure that when we're telling you, oh, the fall colors are coming out, and this one's so pretty, and this is beautiful, and can go good with this outfit or that outfit. Well, we can just show you pictures, right? But when we have it on hand, it's so much better to show you live like this. Like, I can show you how it comes in the packet. I can show you a picture. But when you see it on the hands, on my fingernails, it makes a huge difference. So for them to allow us to order today, you know, I was right on there and I got mine. Because I'm like, before these things sell out, I'm getting my fall bundle. Because just yesterday, I announced it to my VIP, and I said, this was coming. I'm going to go grab them. And today, that's what I did. I grabbed my bundle. So as soon as those come, they're going to be seeing it first. I can't wait, because I want to put them on my nails, and then I want to show them what else. But what they don't know yet is that we have about 15 colors, and we only showed 8, because that's what we were able to get first, and that's okay, because at least it gives us a start to those fall colors. I had mentioned before, Color Street is very on, fashion and into fashion and trends, so they know, because they do all that research. They are so involved, like I said before, with all the fashion and celebrities and what's going on and what's, what is coming out and what will be out there in the winter. Like, they're planning way ahead. So that's why I love the fact that we were able to get it first. And then once I get it, like I said, next week, that's when everyone else can go ahead and purchase those. They're beautiful. They are so beautiful. So yeah, so that's oh, another thing that they did for us was that if we bought those bundles, we were gonna get the fall catalogs. So this one that we're currently on is the spring and summer, and some of the shades are retiring soon to make room for the fall and other colors that are coming in. So just so you know, these are going to be, well, some of the solids, I mean, it's still good. I only have maybe like, I don't know, 2 or 3 left, because I was even thinking, man, I have to buy new catalogs because I've been sending them out. But no, they are going to include fall catalogs for us stylists that ordered the fall bundle. Is going to be included. So that was a great deal. I love that. So they're really looking out for us. They really do. Another thing that I want to mention, if you're like concerned about like the shipping or your order, let me know, because I can always look it up in the back office and I can check if it's shipped, if it or the tracking. Okay, because I did that for my in Puerto Rico. Like, it was going to Puerto Rico and it was a little delayed. Not from our end, even though the office is only working at either 40 or 50% staff right now because of COVID, because of the pandemic and all of that. They still don't have 100% of the staff yet. We're getting these pretty good, and we have more options than we did about 2 or 3 months ago, when only stylists were allowed to purchase, and then we would sell it to our clientele, and that was because of COVID and all of that. So I think now they're doing amazing. They're doing amazing because they still don't have, like I said, 100% staff. Yet we have a lot more on the website, because you can always check. By the way, Berlin to Win It, that dark gray that I had posted as far as those that were asking on the stories, on my Facebook stories, I had that one on there. I got a lot of feedback. That is on the website. As of earlier today, I checked and they had it there. I hope it's still there and not like out of stock. But if that was a color, the dark gray that you were looking for, it's there. Or it was there. But you can check on the website is what I'm saying, because the one I had sold. Yeah, so that was what I wanted to update you guys with. And then stay tuned for the business kit. I'm going to be gathering those things up. I have the list of what comes with it, the price, even our, let me just cover this up, even our card. This is the card where we get paid. So I'm going to go over those things. That live may be a little bit longer because I just want to go in detail, make sure that I cover everything on the list of what comes in. Of course, the commission information and things like that you get. But there's plenty of other perks, including teams. We have the team. Like I said, it's a bilingual team. There was an event going on today with like 80s party. I was too busy. I didn't get in it, but the good thing is, because it's in the group, I can go back and review the videos of what occurred earlier today from my upline. I thought that was a cool idea. Next time I need to make time for that so that I can party again with you guys, especially 80s music. Like, how did I even miss that? I'm going to have to tell Jan, and like, oh my gosh, you need to do another one. Another one when I'm available and not busy with something else. But yeah, but I'm glad it all worked out. So I'm going to check that out to see how that went. Again, thank you so much for all you've done to help me, the support. I really appreciate it. Even the likes, the shares, the comments, and of course the feedback. That feedback is so important. Like I said, it just gets me excited, because I know that this works, and it's just wonderful to have something like that and be able to represent and enjoy it all at the same time. Hello, Anna. I'm just about done here. But if anybody has any questions, just message me. If you're just hopping on, you can just watch the replay real quick. It's basically what I mentioned on Monday. Maybe I added a few things in this one. But you never know. Okay, so I just want to keep it a little bit shorter than the one on Monday. So I hope this video is not as long. But thank you for watching. And like I said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me. Have a good night.